What happens when a massive old ship engine is turned into something completely unexpected? In a small workshop in Peshawar, craftsmen found a clever way to transform a discarded cast iron engine into a useful and affordable product. Instead of selling the old engine as scrap, they cut its heavy cast iron body into smaller pieces and placed them into a furnace, melting the metal at extremely high temperatures until it became liquid iron. At the same time, another craftsman prepared circular sand molds. He carefully packed molding sand into a round template to create the shapes needed for casting. But there was still one important part missing: heated circular metal plates. These plates were placed into the mold to complete the casting setup. Once everything was ready, the molten iron was poured into the molds. After cooling and solidifying, the result was a rough, stepped-shaped metal disc. But the job wasn't finished. Each casting was placed on a lathe, where the rough surface was carefully machined and refined. Several holes were then drilled into the disc for installation, and a final coat of paint gave it a clean and finished appearance. And the surprising result? That massive discarded engine had been transformed into a brand new brake disc, giving old scrap metal a second life through recycling and skilled craftsmanship. Would you trust a brake disc made this way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recycling projects, metalworking, and amazing transformations.